name is Mrs. Dr. Robert James. Before that, it was Mr. Henry Christensen. Before that, it was Mr. James Jenkins. Before that, it was William Williams. I'm here looking for my friends, and I seem to misplace my suit. Got my money. These old things. The boys just like them. Feel me. I think it's on my phone. Where's my grandbabies? Oh. Hey, back. I still got it in me after 68 years. Is that how long it's been? Well, I just wanted to tell you a little bit what I've been up to. I never got married. My name's just Krista. Anyways, I have been, well, after my dance career failed, I got a job at Two Minis. But, they fired me because, my boobies just weren't what they used to be. So, where's my drink? An old man. I just sit at home and I watch old NSYNC videos and Passions every day of my life. Sad. Well, my name is Cha-Cha. As you can see, I haven't lost it yet. Well, let's see. I'm dancing all the time now. I got all the guys. Never got married. I can't settle down for just one. And let's see. As you can see, I still got my fashion. This is designed just by me. No close-up of the legs. No close-up of the legs. Well, and I still got my looks. Voted most attractive in the class. Can't you tell? Can't you tell? Well, let's see. It's been a while now. Come on, guys.